Welcome to another 5 and 5 here with Bryn Athyn Athletics. We're here with head women's basketball coach Kayla Felty. As a former Division I athlete, you're building a program. What are some of the principles you're going to bring that you learned at Villanova here as you build your program?
Well, I think from playing Division I learned that you have to work hard, you have to be dedicated, and you have to be willing to put in all the time and effort in order to get better. Things don't come easily, and you have to learn how to balance both athletics with the academic rigor. So I think that's something I really want to bring over here to Bryn Athyn.
Speaking of that, you were at Guilford College. You went to the NCAA tournament last year, won the ODAC championship. Why Bryn Athyn College? Why make that move now?
I thought that it was a great position for me to take, starting a brand new program. I thought that I had learned a lot from both Coach Flamini at Guilford College and also Deirdre Kane before that at Westchester. So I felt like it was a perfect place to come back home, close to the area I was very familiar with, and be able to start something from scratch with the knowledge I had gotten from them.
You've been here since April 15th, so roughly 6-7 months. Been on the road 5-6 days a week. You've looked at thousands of players. What are you looking for in your players?
Well, I think the first thing I look for definitely is that they're good character kids. You can both see that on the court and off the court. It's very easy to see how they interact with their teammates and also their coaches, if they respect the officials, things like that. So definitely looking for good character kids. Academics, I said, is very strong. We do have a very stressful academic rigor here, so the students have to be prepared for that. And also just that they are dedicated and willing to work hard.
Take me through a little bit of your coaching style. Who does it reflect? What types of coaches do you use as you build your own coaching style?
I think that I've used a little bit from every coach that I've been affiliated with. Definitely my high school coach, Ruth Weidman, taught me how to even teach basketball to begin with, just the basics, different fundamentals. And then from there, Coach Deirdre Kane taught me how to relate to the players, get a little bit more personal level with them, teach them their roles and how to buy into that. And then Coach Flamini taught me how to win. We won an ODAC championship there, so that definitely was really important in taking that next step to be successful.
Who's the best player that you've coached and why?
I'd have to say Gabby Oglesby. She is now a junior at Guilford College. Last year as a sophomore, she was ODAC Player of the Year, and just the tremendous improvements that she'd had over that 1 year from her freshman year to her sophomore year was just incredible. She really learned how to be dedicated, and she learned that she needed to put the work in and she could achieve anything she wanted, and she went out and did it.
We are now here for Rapid Fire, part 2 of our interview here with Coach Felty. Either or questions.
Okay.
You ready? First question.
I'm ready.
Kobe or LeBron?
Kobe.
Second question, offense or defense?
Defense.
Third question, practice or game?
Practice.
Fourth question, shore or mountains?
Mountains.
Fifth question, down 2 seconds left to go. 3-pointer at the buzzer or 3 free throws?
3 free throws.
And there
It
you
depends
have
who's on the line.
And there you have it. 5 and 5 here with head women's basketball coach Kayla Felty.